plus 3. No, I can see.
Okay, I'm watching you. Okay, count. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 3.
No, count all of them. Count all the flowers. How many are there? 3 plus 3.
5 plus 5 plus 6.
6! You're right! Okay, find a 6.
6.
Oh.
6.
Can you find the one with the flowers?
Flowers.
Oh, good job. You have 4 matches. Uh-oh, William. You don't wreck that up. You want to play so bad, don't you? Yeah.
Where are my 6 flowers?
Oh, they're right there. Maybe you should put them on the chair when you're done. Okay, let's do another one.
Mommy's turn.
Let's do this one.
Mommy's turn.
Let's do this one, buddy.
Mommy's turn.
Here you go.
Mommy's turn.
Oh, you're trying to stand up, aren't you, buddy?
Oh,
You want to be in on all the action, huh?
Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 4 equals 7.
7.
Equals 8 equals 9 equals that. Plus. Apples.
8. Take away 2.